Indian continues trying new things with the FTR and designed a new Challenger Elite for its 2024 lineup. FTR stands for Flat Track Racer, Indian launching a range of road-legal FTR 1200 two-wheelers in 2019 that were inspired by the conquering FTR 750 race bike. Now expanded to 5 bikes, Indian took the top street-spec FTR-R Carbon and exchanged ideas with outdoor sports apparel brand 100% to create the FTR by 100% R Carbon. Effectively a two-way fashion collaboration, this FTR dons a white powder-coated frame contrasted with a blue candy color on the headlight surround, front fender, carbon fiber tank, and seat cowl, and a splash of red on the engine cowl and rear wheel. The Öhlins front fork shed its trademark gold for black. The rear shock is wrapped in a black spring, matching the black Akrapovic exhaust. Normally optional extras like the Giles tooling bar end weights, oil cap, and radiator cap come standard. This new limited edition model features even more upgrades and details that set it apart. Indian Motorcycle and 100% co-branding highlight each tank side, the rear seat cowl, and the chin fairing. The fully adjustable Öhlins fork and rear shock get custom blacked-out treatment for 100% more attitude, along with a black finished titanium Akrapovic exhaust. Carbon fiber components, engine covers, chain guard, and exhaust heat shield add additional custom detailing, and Giles tooling parts, including bar end weights, and the oil cap and radiator cap, complete the look. The FTR by 100% R Carbon engine remains untouched, with Indian boasting a 120 horsepower from the liquid-cooled V-twin engine and 87 feet lb of torque. In addition, radially mounted dual-disc Brembo brakes, and a 4-inch touchscreen display powered by Ride Command with turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and 3 selectable ride modes, Rain, Standard, and Sport, round out the experience. The last extra included on the Challenger Elite is also brand new for 2024, a redesigned powerband audio system. The fairing and saddlebags point 4 100-watt speakers at the rider, double the wattage of the standard powerband units. The FTR by 100% R Carbon is priced starting at $18,999 and is highly exclusive, with only 400 motorcycles available worldwide, with less than half slated to be sold stateside. Buyers of the FTR by 100% R Carbon will receive a complimentary pair of Indian Motorcycle by 100% sunglasses.